A physical Pi network ATM just appeared in Hong Kong, and people are already cashing out their Pi for real money. This is the first time Pi users can walk up to a machine, scan their phone, and leave with actual cash in their hands. If you've been mining Pi and wondering if it'll ever be worth anything, this changes everything. I'm going to show you exactly how this ATM works, what you need to do right now to prepare, and why November 22nd, 2025 could be the moment we've all been waiting for. Stick around, because I'll reveal the critical steps you must take today to secure your Pi before it's too late. Before we dive in, I'm posting daily Pi network updates on my Telegram and Facebook pages. The links are in the description below. Follow them right now because things are moving fast and I don't want you missing critical information that could affect your holdings. Now let's get into this. So here's what happened. There's now a functioning Pi network ATM in Hong Kong that lets verified users convert Pi coins into Hong Kong dollars and withdraw physical cash. This isn't some announcement or promise, it's a real machine that's already operational. For years, everything lived in your phone. You'd see your Pi balance, but couldn't do anything with it. Now there's a tangible connection to the real economy, and the timing is deliberate. This launch is happening right before November 22nd, 2025, the date everyone's talking about as the potential open mainnet launch. This isn't a coincidence. The team is testing real infrastructure before something much bigger happens. This ATM is proof that Pi Network is building towards something real, and honestly, this is the first time I felt like, okay, something is actually happening here. When that November date hits, Pi could finally be traded on major exchanges where the real market decides its value. So this ATM showing up now, it's preparation for that moment. Let me walk you through how this machine actually works. It's pretty straightforward. You need your smartphone with the Pi Wallet app installed. When you approach the ATM, you select the option to withdraw cash by selling Pi. The ATM displays a QR code on its screen. You open your Pi app, go to your wallet, and scan that QR code with your camera. This securely links your wallet to the machine. Then you enter how much Pi you want to convert on your phone, not the ATM. The app shows you everything: the amount of Pi, the exchange rate, any fees, and the final Hong Kong dollars you'll receive. You confirm on your phone, and once processed, the ATM dispenses your cash and sends a digital receipt to your app. These machines typically have daily withdrawal limits for security and regulatory compliance. Right now it only converts Pi to cash. You can't buy Pi with cash yet, but that could change. The whole process is designed to be as simple as using a regular bank ATM. The key thing is you're only scanning a QR code and confirming on your phone. You never type in your wallet passphrase anywhere. Now listen carefully because this is critical. Your wallet passphrase is everything. It's that long string of random words the Pi app gave you when you first set up your wallet. Anyone who has those words controls all your Pi. Never ever share your passphrase with anyone. The ATM will never ask for it. You're only scanning a QR code. When using the ATM, shield the screen and your phone. Scammers could place fake QR code stickers over the real one to redirect your Pi to their wallet. Always use the official Pi Network app from legitimate app stores, never from random websites. Start with small transactions first. If it works smoothly, then do larger amounts. This protects you if something goes wrong. Watch out for people hanging around ATMs offering to help you. They're not official support. They're trying to scam you. Any request for your passphrase is a scam, period. Nobody legitimate will ever ask for it. Make sure you write down your passphrase on physical paper and store it in multiple secure locations. Don't save it as a screenshot or text file that can be hacked. If you lose your passphrase, you lose all your Pi forever. Nobody can recover it for you, not even the Pi team. Let's talk about November 22nd, 2025. This date is being highlighted everywhere as the potential open mainnet launch day. This would be the moment Pi breaks out of its closed system and enters the real crypto market. Right now, you can't trade Pi on Binance, Coinbase, or any major exchange. There's no official market price yet, but if the open mainnet launches, everything changes. Pi could finally be listed on major exchanges where real supply and demand determine its value. Prices could surge with strong buying or drop fast if early miners sell off, and no one truly knows which way it'll go. Beyond price, open mainnet means real liquidity and legitimacy, letting users convert Pi to crypto or cash freely, while addressing the long-standing criticism of being closed off. The ATM launch before November 22nd is part of strategic testing to fix bugs, check transaction speeds, and strengthen security before the big day. For now, secure your wallet passphrase by writing it down safely, complete your KYC verification early before the system gets flooded, and stay informed through official Pi network updates. Remember, Pi's value isn't guaranteed, so treat it carefully, and don't fall for anyone making price promises. Manage your passwords and passphrases carefully, keep your wallet details offline on paper, and let someone you trust know where to find them, because no bank will bail you out if something goes wrong. Honestly, I'm cautiously optimistic but realistic. This ATM is a good sign that real infrastructure is being built, but 5 years is a long time in crypto. The delay shows that the team is being cautious and taking their time to get things right, which is a good sign because rushing could lead to serious technical or security problems down the line. It suggests they're focused on building something stable and sustainable rather than chasing quick hype or short-term profits. However, the crypto market doesn't stand still. New projects, technologies, and trends emerge almost every week, and investor attention shifts quickly. Every extra month spent in development can mean lost momentum or missed opportunities, especially when competitors are moving fast. So while caution is wise, timing also matters, and the challenge for the Pi team is finding that balance between patience and progress. That's why November 22nd could be such a big deal. If the open mainnet truly launches, expect excitement and chaos at the same time. Prices could swing wildly as traders rush in and early miners finally get the chance to sell. Some will profit, while others might lose money, depending on how the market reacts in those first few days. My advice is simple: don't treat Pi like a guaranteed jackpot. It's a speculative project, and while the potential is real, the risk is just as real. You mined it for free, so you haven't invested money, but that doesn't mean you should get careless. Think of it as an experiment, something that could pay off if things go well, or simply fade out if they don't. Even if Pi ends up being worth only a few dollars each, that's still meaningful for something you earned by tapping your phone over time. Personally, I'm planning to hold most of my Pi after the launch, to see how things develop. I might cash out a small portion early to lock in some profit, but I'm mainly watching the long-term growth. Every pioneer should have a plan that fits their own risk level. The key is to stay calm, avoid emotional decisions, and not let hype or fear control your next move. This stage of Pi's journey is all about patience, strategy, and perspective. That's everything you need to know about this Pi ATM and what's coming. This machine is the first real, tangible proof that something is happening beyond app notifications and announcements. People are converting Pi to cash right now. That's real progress. Whether you've been mining since 2019 or just started, now is the time to get prepared. Secure your passphrase, complete your KYC, and get ready for November 22nd. Follow my Telegram and Facebook in the description for daily updates because things are moving fast. If this helped you, hit that like button, comment how long you've been mining Pi and what you think about all this, and subscribe so you don't miss what happens next. I'll be covering the open mainnet launch, price movements, and strategies for your Pi. We've been on this journey together for years, and we're finally about to see if it was worth it. Stay smart, stay secure, and let's find out together. I'll see you in the next video.